Good afternoon. Welcome to class 2 of week 3. All right, so today what we're going to be covering is the programs required, which you have. So just Adobe CC 2017. Sorry, but went way back before CC's here. And we're going to cover what you need to do for the class for this week. All right, so what we're going to start with is I'm going to build buttons again. All right, this time we're going to build all the buttons for home. So create a new folder, create a new file, and we're going to say create. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to see if this actually decides to work for me today. Okay, now we're going to right click. We're going to actually go to image, excuse me, layer, rasterize, fill content. Now, come on. Try to rasterize shape. Come on, do what I need you to do. There we go. Now we're going to select inverse. And now we can start to play with this. All right, so we're going to go Command J. All right, so let's fill it in. Really? And for some reason, it's not letting me. And then I'll just sit here like this. I don't know why the paint bucket tool doesn't want to work. Okay. And we're getting this filled in. All right, now we'll take that down a little and get the corners. All right, now we have that filled in. So what we're going to do is, now we're going to make this round. So we're going to get rid of that. And this, now we're going to Command J. Turn that one off. And now we're going to go to 3D. select inverse. And for some reason, now the 3D doesn't want to work. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and just close that. And we'll just go back the way we did this one. Hi, Linda.
Hey,
How are you?
frustrated.
Uh-oh. What's up?
I still, I worked on trying to get those buttons since up until about 4 o'clock this morning and still can't figure it out.
Okay. Well,
I just wanted to change the color on the words and not the whole thing. And I couldn't even get it right. I guess because I was working on it so much that I was going in circles.
okay. Well, we're going to play with it today.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is now we're going to
Oh, another thing I wanted to ask. Okay, in your Muse,
yeah.
You have I noticed on one of it you had where you had the hyperlinks and all. How do you put those up?
Okay, we'll go over that today too then. Why is my, oh, I see why it's not working. It helps if I go to the right bucket tool, doesn't it?
Yeah, I used a bucket on one of mine last night and it whited it out. And I said, no.
Where's my bucket? There it is. That's better. Now we've got the right bucket.
Yeah.
That's weird. I don't know why I kept trying that. I know better. Okay, so now I'm going to make my buttons.
Okay.
And so we're going to do Command J.
I even went to review the lectures.
Turn that off. Okay, it's not, come on. Boy, this is being difficult. There we go. There we go.
Okay.
There we go. All right. So that's going to be our button.
Yeah.
And actually, no, that doesn't work. Let's do it a cube instead. All right, so what we're going to do is the cube instead. All right, so there's my first one.
Yes.
Clear flare. So what that's going to be is, what are the 4 stages of the buttons?
Normal.
Okay. Normal.
Rollover.
Okay, now for the rollover, what we're going to do, we're going to make it a cylinder. Sorry about that. That'll go away here in a second.
All right. I don't have a problem with it.
Okay. So there's now the cylinder. Now we're going to do this one. In fact, yeah.
Click. Oh.
Click.
Yeah, this is click.
Okay. Now for that one, let's make it. Let's do a donut.
For panda.
Yeah.
Get all out of shape.
Okay, there's our panda. Okay, now we're going to take this last one, move it up,
Active.
active. Okay, and now we're going to make it, let's see, what do we want to make it? There. And we're going to go File, Save As, Fire Panda, Desktop, Holder, Week 3, Graphics. All right, so now we can lower that and bring up, wrong program. Animate, yeah, let's bring Animate back up for you. Your arch nemesis.
I like it. I do. I really like Animate.
I'm glad. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to bring up the home. Whoops. So let's just go ahead and new site, since I kind of threw those away. All right, 1280.
Right. Make sure it's RGB as 960.
This is already RGB. Now the problem is, let's go back over here. What is this? It's already RGB.
Bottom. Good.
So we're good. All right, now I just set this up. All right, now we're going to bring this up. And let's see. CC libraries. fire and background. All right, that takes care of that. Now file, and we're going to place a Photoshop button.
Right.
You know what I forgot to do? We're not going to place the buttons yet because I did forget something.
You didn't save them in, well,
I
you
did
said
not.
you didn't save them in the library. Oh, you forgot. Yeah, your label.
Yep. Okay, that's going to go up there. Well, first, we're going to, before I merge those, we're going to save file, save as, Fire Panda, home. Okay, so now we've got the home on each one. And we're going to go back really quick, file, save as. This way I have the template as well.
Right.
All right. So now we're going to go to the home. Okay. All right. So this one, Command E. This is going to go up here. E. All right. So now we're going to save that. All right. Now we're going to go back here and file. We're going to place desktop.
Read graphic. Oh, okay.
There we go. All right, so now I've got this. So we're going to do home, about, portfolio, and contact. All right, so now,
Portfolio or gallery?
huh?
Portfolio or gallery? You usually use gallery there.
I have been, you're right.
E-R-Y.
E-R-Y, you're correct. All right. Yeah, remember we had that issue where it wouldn't tie right.
Right.
Okay, so now let's go back to here. Now I'm going to add the button, file, place. And we're going to go into the graphics, home, active. Well, what'd I do wrong?
You need to go to place. Yeah, that one right there.
Yep. There we go. All right, now this is going to go to right here. All right, now what I want to do is take that and we're going to tie that. This is how you do the links. Right here. Home.
I was gonna do that, but I can't get that up on my map. Mine stays right there at that.
Okay. New folder. Site. Oops. And desktop. Make 3 graphics. And now the site. There we go. And all right, now we're going to come back here and we're going to black. That's not going to work, but all the stuff's working.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what I did wrong there, why it wouldn't work?
I'm trying to think.
File, whoops. Preview site.
Yeah.
Okay. That's weird, it quit working. So you're going to see this is one of the problems then with this. So let's check the states. Okay. Oh, I know what we didn't do. Save site. Now we can do that.
Yeah.
That's weird. Now it's not doing it. Okay. That's really weird. I don't know why that's not working now.
I don't know.
Because according to this, it should be, oh, it's active because, well, we're on the active page. That's why it's not working. It's because we're on the home page. So what we're going to do really quick is go over here. We're going to close the home. Bring up this. My wife's grabbing the phone for me, so
That's all right.
about. Here we go. Whoops. Okay, Command E. Command E. E. And this is how easy this is once you get everything set up. Command E.
The hard part, huh?
Yep, this is what takes the time. So now we're going to File, Save As, and this is about. Open that again. Okay, so Gallery, Gallery.
Very good.
There we go. E, Command E, Command E. Okay, file, save as. Allery. And one last time.
Contact.
All right, Command E. Command E. Command E. Command E. Then file, save as. Contact. All right, so now we can just lower that and bring Muse back up. File, let's see, place Photoshop button. Let's see, about. File, place Photoshop button.
Gallery.
Gallery. File, place button, and contact. Okay, so this one is the about. Gallery. And contact. And we're going to take these over.
Save site.
Yep, I just did that with the command at S.
Oh, okay. I just thought I'd ask you.
That's fine. All right, now we're going to File, Preview Site in Browser. All right, so now you can see and it's working.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I can close that.
But the only thing is you can't see your cylinders and all.
Oh, you can. Watch. If I go slow, there's the cylinder, there's the donut, and then it goes back to that one, which is the active.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see them now?
Yeah, I can see what you're talking about now.
Okay, so now we're going to go to the gallery. And we are going to add a widget. And we're going to do tab panel. Okay. And we're going to change the colors as well. So let's bring out the library. And, ooh, that's not gonna be good. That's gonna be too bright, so we'll go with that.
Yeah.
Now these, and the text. All right. And so this, as you can see, let's take a look at our states. Normal. All right, normal, we're gonna make it orange. Oops. Okay, orange.
And that's why those wouldn't work.
What?
I didn't do them that way either.
Mmm.
That's why they didn't come up right. Well, at least I figured that out.
Yeah. Let me make it black. And I'm gonna leave those two the same. All right. Command S. All right, now we're gonna go in and place photos. All right, so how do I add a picture?
How do you add a picture?
Mm-hmm.
You place it. Not button. Yeah.
Okay.
You sure couldn't have done that any closer.
Uh-uh. All right.
That was perfect on there.
Was it did turn out. You know, we're gonna take that one.
Okay. Get it again.
And the last one.
That was the only one you had to size.
And you know what? I took the small one instead. There we go. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to save it all. All right, so now we've got that set up. So we're going to run through it. All right, now we have that working.
Yes, you do.
The about, the home, and the contact me. All right, so up to this point, does that answer your questions?
You broke up.
Up to this point, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, what I'm going to do is we're going to stop sharing my screen, have you share yours, and we'll see what we can do about it, okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, now bring yours up.
This I was going to get rid of, which I didn't. Okay. Come on. Okay. No. On this one, that's not right. That's missing something. That's missing something. For some reason. No, it shouldn't. Maybe it's the wrong one. That wasn't smart.
I do that all the time.
Okay. Open recent. That's not it either.
Okay, then we'll just build it from there then.
Well, I know I got it.
Okay, go ahead and find it. We're going to go ahead and take a 10-minute break right now then, while you
Okay.
find it, okay?
All right. That's not it. But I know why. What the heck have I done? Come on.
Okay, did you find it?
No, I don't understand it. I'm looking for it.
Did you save it?
That right there is before I put anything on it.
Okay.
But I know I got it. I hope I didn't mess up.
Okay, close that home.
All right.
Is that it?
No, my thing isn't here and my stuff isn't down here.
Okay, go up to File, Open. Not Open, but Open Recent.
Wonder if that's it. Apparently not. Nope, that's not it either.
Okay, try the one under that. See, this is why I just save over rather than have so many. So
I
try.
know I was doing that, but apparently it wasn't working right.
Ah,
All right, we got, that's a PDF. That's, cannot believe I can't find it. It's still the same thing. Oh, don't tell me I messed my assignment. I turned it into you.
it's the one you turned in?
Yeah.
Okay, go to where you turned it in. You can get it back down. So go to your class. Go to the class.
Okay.
To your Dropbox.
Yeah. Okay, where'd you go?
No, not that Dropbox. Your class Dropbox.
Oh, okay. All right, wait. The class Dropbox.
Mm-hmm.
Where is the class?
Okay, go up to the assign. Go to the home page.
Okay.
All right. What was it? Week 2 assessment?
It was assignment.
Week 3? Week 2 assignment?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, scroll down. Go to the assignment.
Come on, Slowpoke.
All right. Now, see where it is up there on the right?
Right there.
Yep.
Oh, good. All right. Oh,
And all you'll have to do is double click it and it'll open once it's downloaded.
yeah. It should have been downloaded already. Open.
Nope, just click OK. Well, okay, you're in Firefox up at the top.
Okay, right there.
Okay, and just double click it.
That's not it. Oh, it's not come up yet. Always helps, huh?
It
There we
does.
go.
Okay, now close the first one
Definitely. And save this one.
and save this one over it.
I'm just gonna put this one up. I'm not putting it over the other one. I got rid of it. I get too confused.
Ah, okay.
But anyway, what I thought about on this one, on
Mhm.
degree, I wanted to make this button and this button open the two below.
Okay, so click on the Associate's Degree button. Now, see where it says Hyperlinks? Click there
Oh, okay.
and go to Associates. See? And then do that with the bachelor's.
Well, see, I couldn't figure out how to get that up.
That's fine. See, this is so much easier, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay,
Once
now
you
save the site, huh?
once you figure it out, you have a good teacher to do it, to help you with it.
And this is the good thing about the one-on-one with this.
Yes,
We can sit here and do this, and I can help you, teach you at the same time.
I know. That's why I like it. All right. I'm saving it. Not in downloads. That don't work. All right, where's my... Save it there.
Now view it.
That's what I'm fixing to do. I gotta do the same thing. I don't have my other buttons up there yet. What are these? Errors not connected.
The fonts.
Huh?
What fonts do you have down there?
I know what font. I had that one I told you about.
Okay, scroll down. Oh, let's go to the right button. Let's go to the page.
Okay. We'll go back. See, I went to, that works.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go back. All right, try it again.
Mm-hmm. And go File, Preview Site.
All right, well, what I need to do, preview site on browser.
Right.
That's what I just did, and I got all that errors.
They're gone now. All right, so go to your degrees.
That's not working either, look.
Mm-hmm. That's because you got your buttons over each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Now, type degrees where it says index, type degrees.
where it says what?
Index?
Index.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Well, take index out.
Yeah, I know. I just,
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing.
I want to make sure I got it right.
Okay.
All right, now go.
Let's go back. So just lower that.
Okay.
Scroll. Close the. It's degree, not degrees.
Yeah, I got degree.
Right, but that's what we have to open up. So let's go back to your browser.
All right, back to browser.
Well, okay,
What?
that's fine. Okay, now where it says index, type degree.
Oh, okay.
All right, now scroll down and click on the buttons.
See, now these, hey, they did work. Fantastic. Maybe just in black and white. Okay. I'll go back. Am I slowpoke? I thought that that was a good picture anyway.
That one is.
Huh?
That one is. Okay, so let me make sure I get this understandable. What are you doing for your website for week 3?
It's going to be these don't work. The other ones did, but those don't. I'm going to do my unicorn design.
Okay.
And
That's what you did in the other class too, wasn't it?
right. I still have that.
Okay.
This one doesn't want to work.
Okay, let me borrow your mouse. Let's see something.
Take it, please. Please, please, please. All right. Well, at least I did get something to work. All right.
You have to go down and wait till it goes gray.
Okay, that was not
over.
supposed to be there, and I tried to get rid of it and couldn't.
Which one? That?
No, the 2 down there.
Oh, okay. What you do? To do that,
Yeah, it was on the bachelor.
this one?
Mm-hmm.
Now hit delete.
Oh, good.
Okay, now view your website.
Okay. All I gotta do is figure out but I had an idea for my buttons, but I don't know if it will work. If not, I can just change the colors, can I, without it moving?
Uh-huh.
Here we go. At least I got those buttons right, huh?
You're doing good.
I'm surprised. I really am.
I'm not. I knew you could do it.
Well, how come I can get those buttons to work and I can't get the other ones?
Well, let's take a look at the other one. It's bachelor's, right?
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, that's the open one already.
Yeah.
Click on the potential careers.
Wait, finish loading. See? Still loading.
Okay. Yeah, I don't see the spinny world. I just see the pointy finger.
There we go. There we go.
Just took a minute for it to click in and say, oh, okay, I'll work for you.
Yeah, really. And that right there, when I did it, okay, it didn't work. I was very upset.
But it's working.
It's working. And that
You're
right
doing
there
great.
needs to be centered more.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this right here is what I was talking about. But let me see. Where's my other one? Photoshop. This right here.
Okay.
Okay. I've got them. The center. Hang on. Let me find it. Yeah. This one right here, the graphic design center.
Uh-huh.
Well, actually, come on. This was what I was wondering if I could do. I got the red behind it. And if I cut it this way to make it in half, across this, it wouldn't work, would it?
No.
That was worth a try.
Yep.
But nothing else. Leave it like that and just change the colors. Would that work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because that was my next option. Because I kind of like those, the way they're done.
Yeah.
It'd be different.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, that was my working on all night, and then I couldn't figure out how I was going to get my buttons right. Hang on a minute. Well, I can't even get the name up now, the letters. But I had that was in, I'm not sure what, on here, this part, I had where's my type? That don't help me none. I had the type was that one that you said may not be.
Okay, double click on the text.
Double click on the what?
The text.
The text.
Yeah, like right there, Illustrator, Photoshop, double click there. Oh, yeah, the halyard is not a...
Yeah, I got it from the,
library.
yeah.
That doesn't mean that it's web ready. That could still be a print one.
Okay.
You have to remember those are all out there.
Okay, so that's going to have to be.
Arial or
What about Time Roman?
Times.
Times New Roman?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I like that.
Okay, do you remember
I
what
use
the difference
that.
between...
I'm sorry?
Do you remember what the difference between Times and Times New Roman is?
No.
Okay, Times is Apple's version of Times New Roman, and the kerning is just a little different.
Okay. I don't know. I use this one all the time on my discussion and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I just got the habit of it because I like it. How about that? That works better. Right?
Yep. Now save it and try to run it again.
All right. Same side as. I need to do the other one too.
Okay.
The other associate, the one for associates.
Okay.
So, in fact, I guess I need to change all of the wording, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, wake up, computer. You don't want to wake up. I got down there. What did I do with it?
Then we'll see what we can do about making those buttons work.
Okay. Well, I gotta try to get this. Now I can't get it to click on it.
Click on what?
The associates. I clicked on it twice. It still won't come up.
Okay, I'm going to borrow your mouse.
Sure. Take it. All right.
What we're going to do, we're going to close that.
Okay.
Got this one?
Uh-huh. It can't want to work.
When was the last time you started your computer?
I worked on it, like I said, yesterday.
You didn't restart it since?
Oh, the computer?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was today that I turned it on. I learned that from my instructor in animation.
Oh, I bet you I know what's wrong.
What?
Let's take a look at something. No.
That and I got right.
Hey, that one works.
Yeah. I also need to do the outline for the red and the blue to make it all one, like you did without the border.
Oh, yeah. That is weird.
I know. I got to change all of the ones on the home page too.
Okay,
That define your future.
Yep, go ahead and change it.
Okay. Let's hope we can change it. Guess what? It worked.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with that other page.
I don't either.
But I do have an idea how to fix it.
Okay. Need to save that too.
Okay, can I borrow your mouse?
Sure.
All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna close that.
I think that the letters in that box too are the same way. I'm not sure. Not those, but the ones in the other. That's bachelor's.
Yep. You'll see why I went to there in a second.
I see what you did.
All right, go ahead and change that, and now it should work. Now you should be able to actually click on it. Yep.
Yep, got it.
I don't know what happened with that other page.
Well, knowing me, I done something. That don't look right. That's because. Is there supposed to be an S on that?
Uh-huh.
On associates. Is that supposed to be an S?
Yes.
Okay. Ah. Now we got to center it. I don't want that. I want that.
Want to see an easy way to center it?
I'm going to move it to where the center is. Right there.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, it's part of it. Now what we're going to do is click in here.
Okay.
What's the alignment? Okay. That's about as much as it's going to go then for yours right now. Okay, now try it. Now run it.
All right. Need to save it first, so.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Just save site.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. What happened?
You still have some font wrong.
Oh, I know why. I know why. Because, I'll show you just a second. This here, on here,
Ah,
and
you actually had some on each page.
these. That, and we've got. Oh, I thought I'd done messed up and couldn't get that one.
You must be in class.
Now, why can't I hit associates? It does not want to come up. It keeps wanting to cover up the.
Let me borrow your mouse.
Sure.
See what happens from this side.
Now, we couldn't get it, do it on the other one like that, but we can now. It don't make sense. It does not make sense.
Oh, yes, it does. Okay, what we have to do, because I made the new one, what we need to do is go back into here.
We need to change those out anyway.
See? There you go.
Okay.
Okay, there's one problem on the degree page.
Right.
Okay, but
There we go.
yep, because we took it out, we had to relink it.
Yeah. I know why it's doing that though. That saying that.
All the text down in the box.
On the main page, right here. This
Okay.
needs to be changed to that. And wait a minute, what did I do?
Command Z.
Huh?
Command
Oh,
Z.
okay. I see what I did. No, back up. There we go. Now, what's the size of this up here? That's 37. 38. Okay. Okay, now they need to be I don't know if they're which way should I take to make them even on there towards the center?
You know, that one I would actually align the outside edges of the text with the picture.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yes.
It'll make it look a lot better.
Like this.
Yep.
About that far?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, a little less.
A little less?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Okay.
Excuse me, sorry.
That'll work?
Yep.
It's not overshadowing the picture, is it? No.
No.
Oh, nope, nope, nope. Okay, save it. Now, when I come up with that on the degree, I knew exactly what I was talking about because I knew those were. I already did that. Thank you. Took care of that. That actually looks better too.
Mm-hmm.
I never noticed the camera is right in the middle of the E in the open. Okay, we got that one. Should I make that bigger or leave it the size it is?
That's up to you.
All right, I have another question for you.
Huh.
What's supposed to go on the course page?
Nothing. That's it for this one.
Oh, okay. What I was thinking of.
Let's go back and look at the directions for this week.
It doesn't say anything. It tells you what to put on the degree because you're supposed to have the bachelor's and the associates on it.
That's it. So that's it.
Uh-oh.
What?
Look when, oh, there it goes. It started out with small black.
I saw that.
That's got to be moved over. Well, we'll get that. But anyway,
You're doing great.
all I gotta do is remember it. All right. What did I say that had to be moved over? It's on the bachelor. All right, wait a minute. I'll go back.
Then next week I'll show you some really fun that you can have once you have everything finalized.
Okay. I gotta move this thing. It's bugging me. It's not listening.
It's looking good though.
All right. Right there. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I still gotta get my blue from around the edges.
Okay. How do you do that?
I don't remember. You only did that once.
Close your bachelor's page,
Go to my home page.
your master page.
Yeah. I want you to notice that I have a white line above the blue before the after the red.
I see
On
that.
all of them, but my master.
That's what that is that's because the height. The height of the information on the page is bigger and than what you set it up for.
Okay.
And so if you just went into your master and made that bigger, that would be fine.
Well,
Here, I'm going to borrow the mouse to show you the quickest way to do this.
like this.
Okay.
What? It didn't come into the line anyway.
Mm-mm.
It's supposed to. Okay, make this bigger.
Nope. Let me show you.
That.
The red's not going to go across anymore. You're only going to be able to do that with one color.
Right. I was
So
talking about for that where the other ones were. Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do, go to right here.
Okay. I don't want it up there. You won't be able to see independent.
Okay, why didn't that take it? You may have to go and actually do this to each page. Well, no, it says it should be doing it.
It hasn't done it on the master page either.
So we're going to fix this really quick.
Okay.
Put 1,000.
Okay. I guess I need to go behind it. Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to borrow your mouse.
Sure. You can borrow my mouse as long as I get it back for class. Needs to be wider though.
That's weird. What happened to it?
It didn't take you but a second to make yours cover the whole page so much.
Practice.
Yeah. On what page are they talking about now?
There we go. Okay, this can go a little bit longer. Okay, now let me show you that.
Okay.
Okay, the ears are going to come up. And it'll tell you which one. Homepage has it in it. Degree, bachelor's, contact, course, and associates.
That might be that page right there. I bet it's the buttons. It doesn't say anything about contact though, does it?
No. Why is it doing this? Okay, that's closer. I don't know what's going on there.
I didn't either. That right there, I could not get it where I could change the color on that to make it stand out without the white in the background. It just wouldn't do.
There's the problem. You see what the problem was?
Yeah, I saw that.
There's spaces. So you'll have to do that with each page. Go ahead and do that.
Okay, I will. Well, it wouldn't be on this one, would it? Yep. How does that,
Say what?
how does it manage to do that?
You had spaces in front of it.
Oh, okay. All right, that's got that one. Yeah, I don't have it there.
And you don't have it on Bachelor, so close this one now. That's fixed.
Okay.
Now try to save it all. Once you close degree,
Okay. Close degree. Again.
okay, now try to run it.
Huh?
Now run it again, and you'll see.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now it may just have it just because it's stuck over in some of the old code.
Okay.
So, okay.
I'm just wondering if, like I said, it might be that my home up there. What did I do? I messed up. Because I know that I've got that home,
Right.
those buttons. It's very possible that that might be part of it.
It could be.
Let's see if I can delete them. Okay. Layers. I'm gonna find out where my buttons are. I didn't label them. I was getting too frustrated. All right, there's the middle button. Yeah, I just got too frustrated with it. And I even got them down to where the sides of them, you know, the boxes they were in,
Right.
were really together. They weren't like that right there. But okay, 5 and 6. Okay, now that may have been all my problem all along, not to get my buttons to do because I'm trying to fool with them. All right, let's see what that does. don't see any errors so far.
There you go. A lot better.
Huh?
That's a lot better.
Yes. Ah!
Scroll down.
And guess what? Okay.
What I'm going to have you do, shut down all your programs and reboot. Okay? Then come back into class and we'll go from there. And I'll go ahead and wait for you.
Okay, you said what?
Shut down all your programs, reboot your computer, and come back in.
Okay. I'll do that.
All right. I'll see you in a few.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Okay, while waiting, we're just gonna sit here in the Loki's fire. And since we only took about 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and take 5 more minutes while you come back in. Welcome back.
Yeah, I had a problem with my Creative Cloud,
Huh.
and I had to take and repair it. When I tried to log into class,
Yeah.
that's when it come up that it had a problem, had to be repaired.
Huh. Okay, so
Strange.
what I'm going to have you do is share your screen. Show me where you're at on this week's stuff on your site.
Oh, hang on. Creative Cloud wants my,
Credentials.
yeah, to install what wants to make a change. Okay, I'm going to share my screen.
Okay. And show me where you're at with.
Start screen share until the other participant is sharing.
Oh, am I still sharing? Oh, okay.
It's showing.
There you go.
All right, come on. There we go. Now let's see if we can bring it back up.
Okay, so this week the one for this week's your own website, right?
Yeah, it is.
Are you doing it in Illustrator or Photoshop?
Maybe a little of both.
Okay.
It depends on what I've got the one in Weebly. That's the one I was trying to think of. I have one there, but I haven't used it because I got frustrated because of my tree frog activity book. It was to my link on my computer,
Yeah.
which had been downloaded to my passbook, and I can't get it. But I do have some other things that I've done,
Okay.
but that was one of my pride and joys. I've got another one that I did, but it was a presentation for the sloth for an activity book.
Cool. Okay, remember, you're going to be starting this one in Photoshop or Illustrator, not you're doing your. Let's see. Let's bring up the directions while we're waiting for that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start working on that. What in the heck? Come back into Muse and can't get what I want. Well, it's coming up. This poor Mac has been through a lot.
I get that.
I've had to download it twice because it just flat locked me out of it.
Oh, your Mac's getting to that age.
And I had to download it, and then it wouldn't do, so they had to sent me another flash drive, and I took it down to get it downloaded. Because I mean, it was like, you've got to be kidding. You see my downloading Creative Cloud desktop. That's not helping me.
Yeah, that's going to have to finish that. So, all right, just let that keep going.
Well, it come up, document contains link, bleh. Anyway, as you were saying.
Okay, just let that go. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to go over the directions again.
Okay.
So for this assignment, you'll be designing the interface for your portfolio. In other words, you're doing the mock-up of it.
Yeah. It's up. And it's all there,
Okay.
including the buttons. All right. Anyway.
Okay, so you're going to be creating it and using Word. So you're going to explain what you're going to be doing in Word. Okay.
Okay. You want the screen back?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
It's fine. Part 1, using Word, explain the changes you would like to create. So explain what you're going to create, how you're going to create your website. You're going to need your design style, talk about the layout concept, colors, portfolio graphic changes, any additional Muse features you'd like to add, a plugin you're going to select and use, and then at least 50 words for each one of those. Okay.
Okay.
You're going to save that as a DOCX. Second one, you're making the web mockup in Illustrator or Photoshop. And use your color scheme from your logo that you've made.
Right.
Let's see.
I'm taking my buttons off and listening to you too.
Okay. And then you're going to save that as a PDF. And then you're going to zip those two files, the Word document and the PDF, and submit them.
Okay.
All right, so that gets you the assignment. Now the assessment, you're going to create rollover buttons, your normal rollover mouse down in your active, create links between your pages, import your logo and your hyperlink. So in other words, you're going from what you've created in Illustrator or Photoshop and actually creating it now in Muse.
Okay.
All right, so that answers those questions for you, right?
Mm-hmm. I got my buttons off.
All right. So now
it's downloading, but yet I'm still able to work. How about that?
That's unusual.
Well, considering my computer's unusual and all, what can I say?
Well, you know, you're getting the hang of this. You're playing with it. You're doing exactly what I've been wanting to see. So you're making this look good. You're doing great.
Well, I've got a very good instructor.
Well, thank you. Now this week, I'm looking forward to seeing your items, your own web page,
right?
The concept of it, and that's for the assignment, and then actual start to create it in Muse.
Okay. All right. What did I do with that? All
right. So do you have any questions?
Not right off, other than the fact I've got go back and try to change my colors on my buttons.
That's easy to do.
Actually getting I get started and okay, just like the bachelor's and associates button.
Yeah.
I didn't have any problem with them. I didn't even realize I had made them. Yet I can't do it with the regular buttons. That doesn't make sense, does it?
It does. It just takes practice. And you're getting it. Now, what you can do for this, instead of
Sure,
making... Huh?
Thunderstorm. Yeah, that, I really like animation also. So, you know, I'm going to take my first animation that I did, my choo-choo train, and I'm going to elaborate on it.
Okay.
I think you were there for that one too. That's for my associates.
Is it going to look like the one you did for when we did animation?
No, it may look better.
Okay.
Because all I have is the green and a choo-choo train going across the screen in a matter of seconds.
Okay.
And so what I want to do is I'm going to elaborate on it, put some trees on it, and make the background look like it's moving. And slow the train down and put the smoke coming out of the stack all the way across. I learned that from my instructor in animation.
Oh, cool.
But anyway, so I'll go and work on these buttons, and I think I may have it down to what I can, how to do it.
Okay, and that's for week 2. So then we'll do the week 3 then. Now,
Right.
and I look forward to seeing how this goes. Do you have any questions?
No, not right now.
Okay, well, then that's going to end this class. And if you have any questions, make sure to contact me.
I will.
Or Christy.
I will.
All right. Thank you for coming to class. And you have a good day.
You too. I got to stay dry. We got thunderstorms.
Oh, we had some the other morning, but then they cleared out.
We've had them every day.
Well, we cleared out of those, and actually we were at near stage flooding and actually at flooding stage in most places. So
yeah. Well, stay dry.